Get ready for some massive news. The New England Patriots wide receiver room is facing a major shakeup as NFL analyst Moe Motton names DeMario Douglas a potential cut candidate. We break down exactly why this veteran receiver might be on the chopping block with the team's new acquisitions in mind. Look at the latest A.J. Brown trade update, where ESPN's Jeremy Fowler reveals that only the Patriots are involved in the potential deal and raises serious questions about the return the Eagles might receive. Stay with us to see what this means for the Patriots fans. The New England Patriots wide receiver room faces potential shakeup as speculation mounts over a potential acquisition of A.J. Brown from the Philadelphia Eagles. Following reports suggesting the Patriots might sign Brown after June 1, analysts are pointing to wide receiver DeMario Douglas as a potential cut candidate if the trade materializes. Moe Motton of Bleacher Report highlighted Douglas's performance, noting that while he led the Patriots with 561 receiving yards in 2023 and tied tight end Hunter Henry for a team-leading 66 receptions in his first season with Josh McDaniels, Douglas saw fewer slot snaps compared to previous years. Motton suggested that with the addition of Romeo Doubs, who can line up inside like Stefon Diggs, Douglas could become the odd man out in the rotation, particularly if the team acquires Brown. Douglas recorded 31 receptions for 447 yards and 3 touchdowns last season, with his best campaign coming in 2024, where he logged 66 receptions for 621 yards and 3 touchdowns. Selected by the Patriots in the 6th round of the 2023 NFL Draft, Douglas has been a solid contributor. However, the rumored influx of talent, specifically Brown, creates uncertainty for his role in the team's offense. The situation highlights the dynamic nature of NFL roster construction, where high-profile acquisitions can immediately alter established player roles and future prospects for others on the roster. Trade rumors are intensifying around the New England Patriots' pursuit of wide receiver A.J. Brown from the Philadelphia Eagles, with a potential trade deadline approaching on June 1st. Insiders suggest the Patriots' ideal package for acquiring Brown would be a first-round pick in 2028. However, speculation is mounting that the deal may involve trading a player, with Kayshon Boutte emerging as a strong possibility. Boutte is viewed as a key piece in potential negotiations. Given his rising status, with a strong season anticipated in 2025, Philadelphia could be incentivized to trade a receiver for a player like Boutte. This move would allow the Eagles to acquire a receiver with significant potential, someone who could quickly establish himself as a threat behind Devonta Smith. The conversation surrounding Boutte is heating up, with Patriots insider Mike Rios publicly indicating his belief that the receiver could be part of the transaction. Rios acknowledged the rumors during a Monday morning appearance on 98.5 The Sports Hub, not definitively ruling out the possibility of Boutte being included in any deal for Brown. Rios further suggested that while Boutte has shown promise, there might be redundancy in the receiving core if both Brown and Boutte were on the roster, as they play similar styles of football. Consequently, Boutte is considered the most trade-worthy receiver the Patriots currently possess, making it plausible for him to be part of a trade. While including Boutte would represent a significant loss for New England, given his trajectory from a 6th-round pick to a developing prospect, the potential gain of securing A.J. Brown on the roster could make his eventual move to the Eagles in 2026 an inevitable outcome. New England Patriots insider Mike Rios has weighed in on ongoing speculation surrounding wide receiver Kayshon Boutte, suggesting his potential movement could be tied to the team's pursuit of a trade involving A.J. Brown. The logic driving the rumors centers on roster management. If A.J. Brown joins the Patriots, space will be required, making it a possibility to move Boutte to alleviate that need, especially given his rookie contract status. Rios addressed the situation on 98.5 The Sports Hub, acknowledging the implication that Boutte might be moved due to redundancy, but expressed uncertainty about the decision. "I don't know if that's what's going to happen. I don't know if it should happen. He played really well for them last year," Rios stated. Boutte's trajectory with the team has been noteworthy. Drafted in the 6th round of the 2023 NFL Draft after initial concerns over injuries and inconsistent play, he struggled early in his rookie season. However, following personal struggles with online gambling, Boutte demonstrated significant improvement, developing a strong connection with Drake May. Over the last 2 seasons, Boutte has established himself as a productive receiver, accumulating 76 receptions for 1,140 yards and 9 touchdowns, including a strong performance in the previous playoff run. He is now entering the final year of his rookie contract. If the Patriots decide to move on from Boutte, analysts suggest he holds value. Sports Illustrated writer Albert Breer believes Boutte could command a day 3 draft pick, potentially a 5th or 6th round selection. There is also speculation that Boutte could be part of a package sent to the Philadelphia Eagles in exchange for A.J. Brown, potentially involving less than a first-round pick for Brown. These remain speculative scenarios as the offseason continues. The impending trade of Philadelphia Eagles wide receiver A.J. Brown to the New England Patriots is generating speculation and mixed feelings among Patriots fans, largely due to the structure of the potential deal. Reports suggest the transaction is imminent, with a potential deal expected to materialize after June 1. While the specifics of the trade are largely understood, questions surrounding the return package and potential involvement from other teams are surfacing. ESPN analyst Jeremy Fowler has commented on the possibility of other teams being involved, stating he has not found any besides the Patriots. Fowler noted that while rumors existed regarding the Chiefs and Rams, those inquiries did not progress significantly. He suggested the New England Patriots appear to be operating in isolation regarding this potential move. The confirmed details point toward a likely return of a 2028 first-round pick for Brown, which is considered a significant price. This leads to a key point of contention. Why might the Eagles seek more in return? Analysts suggest that if the Patriots are the sole party involved, they hold the primary leverage. However, there is speculation that the Patriots might reconsider the first-round price. The concern is that if negotiations falter, the Eagles could retain Brown, potentially creating a challenging situation for Philadelphia's wide receiver core, especially with the addition of Mackay Lemon. Keeping Brown happy with a single other talented receiver may prove difficult. Ultimately, while this remains pure speculation, the situation leaves Patriots supporters feeling conflicted, as they are reportedly giving up a first-round pick in a deal involving only their own franchise, leading to the perception that New England might be receiving the less favorable terms in this transaction.